In this video, I will show you how to clear Spotify cache on mobile. Okay, first of all, let's open Spotify. Now from here, click on top left corner on your profile icon. Now select settings and privacy. Okay, scroll down and click on data saving and offline. Click on it. Again, scroll down a bit. Now here's the option clear cache. Click on clear. Click on clear cache. Now as you can see, your cache is removed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can remove cache on your Spotify mobile. If you find this video helpful, consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.